Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Red Hat OpenShift Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Red Hat OpenShift cluster using the command line interface or the web console. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes and optimize your environment. Start by evaluating your current resource allocation to understand how pods are utilizing CPU and memory. Use the command OC get nodes to check the status of your nodes and their resource availability. Identify any nodes that are underutilized or overutilized by examining their resource metrics. Next, scale your deployments based on the resource needs you identified earlier. Use the command OC scale deployment name replicas equals number to adjust the number of replicas. Consider implementing horizontal pod autoscaling by enabling the feature in your project to adjust pod replicas automatically based on resource usage. To do this, first, install the horizontal pod autoscaler if it is not already configured within your cluster. Set up resource requests and limits in your pod specifications to ensure fair resource distribution. Modify your deployment configuration YAML file to include resources, requests and resources, limits for both CPU and memory. Next, utilize OpenShift's built-in metrics to monitor application performance and identify bottlenecks. Access the metrics by going to the monitoring section of the OpenShift web console. Regularly review these metrics to analyze trends and usage patterns. Implement pod affinity and anti-affinity rules to optimize placement based on your workload requirements. This helps in distributing your application pods across nodes effectively. Consider using persistent storage strategically for applications that require durability. Review your storage classes and evaluate performance to ensure optimal I/O for your workloads. Adjust instance types in your cloud provider settings to match your workload requirements further. Evaluate whether using spot instances for non-critical workloads can save costs while ensuring availability. Finally, document all changes made and monitor your adjustments over time to ensure consistent performance improvements. Reviewing and optimizing regularly will help maintain an efficient and responsive OpenShift environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.